Hey there, if you're running into the content unavailable, the folder contents could not be displayed error in the Files app on your iPhone, don't worry. I'm here to help you out with some simple solutions. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Offload the app. First, open up Settings, next scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Now find the Files app in the list. Tap Offload App, then tap Offload App again to confirm your choice. Next, tap on Reinstall App. Finally, after that, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Refresh the Files app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Then swipe up on the Files app to close it completely. Now reopen the Files app and see if the contents load correctly. Solution 3. Sync iCloud. Start by opening Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap on iCloud. Now tap See All. Find iCloud Drive and ensure it's turned on. If it's already enabled, then go ahead and disable it, and then re-enable it again. Before you do anything, try using documented apps on iPhone. Next, tap on the Files app to open it. Find the file you're having issues with and check if the problem persists. If this doesn't work, move on to the next step. Solution 4. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open Settings again, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. After that, restart your iPhone. Now head back to Settings. Tap on General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings and VPN configurations. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the content unavailable error in the Files app on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy iPhone.